We found a box of Legos on the classifieds. We're gonna dig through this box and see what treasure we can find. Go ahead and dump it out, guys. Dump it out on the ground. Let's see what's in there. Oh, keep it on the blanket there. Oh my gosh, what's in there, guys? What do we got? We got some Legos. What'd you guys find? A helicopter. You already have one of those? What is it?
It's one of those little baby bunnies.
Oh, a bunny, huh? Wow.
Hey, there's scuba divers.
If it's not a Lego, you can put it in the non-Lego pile. Go take it away. Do you like it? Batman. And a helicopter. What do you have there?
Look at the devil.
Oh man, there's the devil. Here, bring it back just a little bit. Let's see the devil.
Look at the devil.
Oh man. What is that? Oh, there's the cop. Wheelbarrow and grapes, huh? Wow. What do you have over here?
Sorting the minifigures, the vehicles, the pets, and the items right now.
I don't think Charlie wants to be in the
this
camera.
is a fake Lego too. Because that would put it on there. Iron Man helmet! There's an Iron Man helmet! Can I see?
Nice.
What's in here? Hey!
What you building over there, Eve?
Not really anything, I think. Just sorting. Oh, look at this. It's one of those staircases. Hey! Upside down. This one doesn't work very well. Look! Open it up! Wait, there's fake. Dad! Oh, yeah, there we go. I got it.
Say it again. Cool.
Inside this, there's some fake Legos and real Legos. None of these are fake.
Okay.
Dad, this is fake Lego.
It's fake Lego? How do you know?
There's no Lego sign.
There's no Lego sign on the bricks, huh? What is it? An ice pack for a dog?
From the pet hospital.
Oh, there's...
Broken, but...
We got a pet hospital, huh? Oh, it is? The slide or the... No, it's like...
No, it's the slide.
Oh.
people might say you're letting your baby play with Legos.
All of our babies play with Legos.
I know, but the public.
Yeah, we have
not
to watch his hands.
allowed.
Huh? Here, put this with the no Legos. That's not a Lego right there.
Is this a Lego?
Yeah, no, that's a Lego.
It just looks more.
Looks more shiny. I think it's in one of the sets.
Piggy, what have you found so far?
Oh, I just found another baby kitten.
Very cool. What do you have in your
Ooh, this
piles
is-
here?
I think
I
guess what we
love
have in here.
sorting Legos.
Yeah.
So, as you can see, I sort all the vehicles and Lego friends, the
Check it out.
furniture. I had that. No, it was a different one.
Who else's castle? Look at that pile of instructions.
So anyways, all the furniture, all the items.
On this old chick fish. It's an old chick.
And I've also seen some things that I've never seen before, like from the hospital. Like
Yeah.
I have never seen a pen. I've never seen an ice pack. Like I have on
Let's see.
videos, but like in person, I've never seen this in videos.
Oh, a little stethoscope. I like that.
And I also found some cats and dogs. I love this little baby section. I got some in my Christmas set.
Very cool. Hey, boys.
I've never seen
Tell me what you found so far. What is that? Yeah. Whoa, 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 Charlie! Charlie!
Oh, it's a baby seat. Show George. He loves those.
Georgie! Come here! A pen?
That overall.
Hey, I have
You do have one.
And here's some army men. Here's some army men.
Hey, who's
Oh,
this?
some army men in there.
Yeah, that's Olaf.
No.
Let me show you. No, it's in there.
Hey, George, what have you found? Georgie?
Hey, there's a pen. Baby
baby
sea turtle.
sea
I've never seen a pen. There's a pen. Oh, yeah.
Hey, push your back so I can see. Hey, Georgie. Georgie, what did you find?
Evelyn.
What is that?
I mean, Mommy. There's no turtles.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy.
What?
Here's the driver of the train.
Very cool.
This is a real Lego, but
A real Lego.
I think this is a Lego. I can see the
This is Jackie.
Very cool.
Lego. All these
What is that?
That's a Lego.
Oh my goodness. It shoots.
It shot at the screen.
Let's see. Shoot that missile off. Let's see it. Let me see you shoot that missile, George.
Here's Joe.
Nice.
Oh,
bunnies. Aww. So cute.
I'm gonna have to break that one.
Jethro the soldier.
Hey, Nelson, check out this. I used to have this. Oh yeah, that is big. No, you can keep it out of your mouth.
I think maybe Charlie should come over here.
You're small. This is a house. 'Cause when you open it,
You can't help with the Legos yet. You can't help with the Legos yet.
Not the energy high five! Hey, Daddy! Some piece.
What?
These pieces, not
I
this
can't see
piece,
it
but
on
like
camera. It's
these
a wrench.
pieces.
Oh yeah.
These pieces.
Looks
I
like
should
it's
make an
another
aquarium.
wrench.
That would be fun.
Honestly, my whole personality is aquatic life.
Yeah, you like aquatic life, huh?
Yeah. So, yes, it's very big.
Yes, please.
Let's just put this
Wait a minute.
I need to clean this one before it
I think those
Yeah, that could be a good glass piece for your aquarium. Oh, oh.
I know what house this is.
Okay.
Honestly, Dad, this just looks like a house because when you open up this door there's a bathroom.
Show me something.
Oh, I haven't seen these pieces before.
What is it?
Yeah, something.
Oh, I can't see it in the camera. It's a wrench. Oh yeah, and looks like it's another wrench, like a a wrench.
Hi.
Hi.
I think I know which house this is because I found a bed and I think it might be next. It's probably
Mia. Who's Mia? Oh.
or at least I think.
You guys just look for Legos. Like you could look for fake Legos or. Nice.
Hey Dad, I found it. I built a tool station for you.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Actually, Lego friends. Know how I built your tool station? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I built your construction worker
Oh, got some construction workers, huh?
for it.
Nice.
He's using the words on that helicopter.
All right, Eve, what do we have here? What's all this stuff?
This is the Lego Friends accessories.
So you found some Lego friend
Also,
accessories.
I found some really interesting things in the hospital. Like, I've never seen this on video or anything. I've never seen this.
What are these over here?
These are the vehicles.
Those are all the vehicles you
I
found.
just barely noticed before we showed this. I just barely noticed that this part is missing.
Oh. What's these here?
These are the pet.
What's your favorite pet?
The sea turtle, honestly.
Oh, nice. What's all this over here?
These are all the friends, the Lego friends. And this is all the furniture. This isn't anything. If you saw this right next to the furniture.
Yeah.
This isn't anything. I'm just
not
going to use
anything.
it from the aquarium. This is cool in it. Honestly, I hope they know my life is a life.
Nice.
Aquarium.
All right, boys, let's see here. What do we got over here? What did you find? What's all this stuff right here?
Oh, so.
What's all this stuff? This pile of stuff here.
Oh, so this is police officer. So.
Those are all the minifigures we found, right?
So also yes, and also this is a military base.
Oh, okay.
That's because this.
Oh. George, what's all the stuff in this pile over here?
Fake Legos.
Those are fake Legos, huh?
It's our fake Legos collection.
The fake Legos collection.
This is
Awesome.
the boys and women's bathroom.
Boys and women's bathroom. Awesome.
I call these little bunnies. Hey, this is Brian. And hey. Obvious. Because it says Lego on it.
Oh, it says Lego on them.
It's
Huh?
obvious.
It's obvious. All right, cool. Thanks for watching our video today, guys. We hope you liked it as much as we did. Next week, we're going to show you all the sets that we found after we spend some time building the sets that we found in this pile of Legos here. And tell us what you liked most about this video. What piece did you see that you liked most? Thanks so much for watching our video.